Hey, what's up? I got this headlamp that was sent to me so I can try it out, taking into consideration that I love night hikes and camping. I have to say that I'm surprised with this headlamp. It came in a pack of 2, which is wonderful, and it has 6 light modes. The first is the LED strip, which comes in high and low, helping us to have wide visibility so that we can cover a large area of light. While the other mode is the spotlight, giving us more focused light, which comes in high and low beam. And finally, we have also a night vision mode, which I think it's really cool and useful when walking at night. This one comes in normal and strobe mode. In addition to all this, we have the same light patterns but in sensor mode, so we can turn the headlamp on and off just by passing our hand over the sensor, which is really functional when we have our hands busy cooking or setting up camping. The headlamp is rechargeable. Its battery can last up to 10 hours depending on how you use it, and it's waterproof rated IPX4. One of the most important things is that it's comfortable when using it for long periods of time. So, if you're looking for a headlamp that are versatile, rechargeable, and you can use it in different outdoor activities, this is an excellent option.